This Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Today it's Thursday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ and US30. So if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow the channel, and thanks to everyone who already subscribed. So here I already started with my highest point, my previous highest point, which happened in Feb, but now it's April. We had another new high. So this shows us that the market actually is still going to push high. So now the market has this retest. Obviously at the moment it's a good time actually to buy. If you can buy around these areas at the moment, the market can still go higher, but you should just do your basics and the way you analyze the market before you can say maybe you want to buy. But at the moment, this shows us that the market actually is still going to push, because it was our previous high. So we've broken that previous high. We have our new high at the moment. So it means the market can still come and play around this area going higher. But at the moment we had this rejection. Why? Because you can see, since the market was just going up, we never had like a real rejection. But at least here you can see that we have few rejections. So even here it's one of them. But from this area, I think the market can still push higher. You can see every time we had this, the market pushed. Every time we had this, the market pushed. Even here the market pushed. Now we are here. We expect the same thing to happen, to push higher again. So let's go straight to a bit smaller time frame and see exactly what we can expect from there. I will just start with an hour time frame. So if maybe you missed some of my analysis, you can go check them. So I think they will help you. So this area, I hope you can see that this area actually it was just consolidation. So I think the same it's happening around this area. So this area actually, I think it's going to be our new support. The market can still play around this zone before it can push high. So when you trade, remember this area, it's our new support at the moment. So let me draw a proper line, or let me just use this. You can see that. So this area actually it's our support at the moment. So, and remember we had this new high. It means the market can still push and go higher than this, because now we're going to have the higher high, something like that, going up. So if the market maybe keeps going down, we expect the market not to go lower like crazy, because we already have a fresh start. So a new high shows that we can have another fresh start. Then, but the market can just play around these areas. Remember that, before the market can push higher again. Why? Because we also had this crazy move few days ago. You can see that we had this crazy move. You can see, so you can see from this area. So obviously the market was supposed to take a break before it can push higher again. So we still on a very nice and strong uptrend. So don't expect the market maybe to sell at the moment, but what I'm expecting the market, it's just that at the moment it's still before the market open. The market can still consolidate, but expect the market to go higher. So I think maybe you see here, but this thing is just a zone to me. It's just a zone, so it's where the market can play around before going higher. I don't think maybe you can say this is a higher, resistance and support. You can call that if maybe you are on a very small time frame, maybe let's say 15 minutes. But still, I think the market is going to break these lines and going up. So I think maybe you can have an idea on what can happen from there. Then let's go straight to US30 and see what's really going on there. So here we are on, let's start with a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, guys, it's also clear that US30 is also on a very nice bullish momentum. So if you checked my previous video, I think maybe on Tuesday or Monday, the market was around, I don't know if it was around here or around here. So if you check that, maybe yesterday you got a very nice buy if you checked the video, but yesterday I was unable to trade. But if you watch the video, you can have a clue of what can happen. So it means since we are in this support, we're not going to look for any sell. You can see this is a strong uptrend and it's very clear. So the market can, you can see when we say uptrend, we mean something like this. So it means this support is very strong at the moment. So what do? You don't sell. You only take the buys only. It means you're going to take only the buy. Even here, I think it's a nice buy zone because you can see that we are very close to our support. The market can just push higher again. So it's a nice time, but you have to place your stop loss so that you don't lose anything. But to do that, you can also go to a smaller time frame and see what really happened. So if maybe, let's say, if the opposite happens, it means we have to break this support. You can see from this area, let me see, it's from when? It's from, I think, 29 March, and now, so the market never broke this support. It means it's a very strong support. So if we go to a smaller time frame, it's where we can get maybe a nice entry to move higher. You see that? So let's go to that small time frame and see what we can expect from that area. Let's start with an hour before we go to 15. So here we are on 1 hour. You can see it's also very clear, but the market won't just create those perfect moves like this. I hope that now you see that. So the market will just play around so that we don't get very clear or nice trades. So what do we do now? If maybe you missed the market here, you can just wait for the market to reach around this zone before you can say you can buy. But if the market breaks, it means you're going to wait for the market to break, retest, and sell. Remember, when you wait for the market to retest, sometimes the market doesn't retest, of which sometimes it's bad, but it's also safe. But if already the market broke here and closed below, maybe let's say maybe with 2 candles, then you can say we can sell. But at the moment, I don't see any sell opportunity. We have to go with the rule. If the market is going higher, don't go against the traffic. But they say the trend is your friend, so you should go with the trend. Sometimes if you go with the trend, it's easy. The market can go against you, but in a few minutes or a few hours, the market will just come back and go up in your favor. So I think maybe for now or for today, I think maybe we have covered everything. So if maybe you missed something, go back, watch my daily videos. I think maybe you will get something. Please guys, hit that subscribe, like, share. We also have groups. If you want to be in the groups, please check my description for my contacts. So then you can just contact me over there. So I think maybe if you need some help, just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Then you can, maybe I can help you. I don't know. So, or maybe you can also left a comment there, anything that you want to say. Then thank you for watching. This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex.